Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Fix Windows 11 10 Credential Manager Error 0x80090345. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Cryptography, click and expand Protect, click and expand Providers. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value named as Protection Policy, change value data to 1. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.